Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. Today is Monday, October the 30th. We have capital O in here popping up in the #1 overall position at TradeAlgo.com with an over 500% increase in institutional bearish pressure. So no surprises, the stock is down nearly 11% as a result. It's important to get that information again with speed and transparency, so you're catching it over here as opposed to catching it over here after it's already moved. If we go to our Trade Algo Alerts tab, let's take a look at ON Semiconductor. And you can actually see that ON was identified at the very beginning of the morning at 8:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, with nearly 70 times the average amount of institutional bearish pressure than is normally seen there. So what our technology is picking up on is that typically only about $270 million of this stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, October the 30th, it was nearly $1.5 billion. So no wonder it's making such a large directional move. Hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. With speed and transparency, let's say that you had followed along with smart money transactions, and let's say you had done some put options. Look at the huge list of triple and even quadruple digit returns that you could have gotten on ON puts. For example, let's say that you had done the $67 put option. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market at its maximum. It's an over 2,400% return. But it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. The market moves very quickly, and that's pretty unrealistic to expect. It's about getting the information down here with TradeAlgo, popping up on the main dashboard at TradeAlgo.com, as opposed to hearing about it over here after it's moved 2,400%. For example, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10 a.m., and then maybe you hopped out early at a nice triple-digit return. That's still a great trade and a great day. Get your data down here, stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just ON, there were many other opportunities. We don't really have time to look through all of them though, so let's just take a look at one more highlight. Let's go to SoFi, SOFI, popping up at the top of the board, TradeAlgo.com, 400% increase in institutional bearish volume. If we look at the TradeAlgo Alerts tab, one more time, you can see that at 9:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, nearly 10 times the average amount of bearish volume is identified in these private exchange networks than what is normally seen there for SoFi. So let's say you had done put options following smart money transactions. Nice list of triple digit returns there as well. Maybe you did the $6.50 put option. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute candle. We know our AI picked it up at 9:44, so let's just go to the 9:45 candle at its maximum. That's a 161% potential return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.